The government has made a political choice by treating Singapore's aging workforce as an opportunity and not a burden. Manpower Minister Josephine Teo said this at the Economic Society of Singapore's annual dinner, where she spoke at length on recent measures to raise the retirement and re-employment ages and CPF contribution rates for older workers.
Mrs. Teo also said she's working with Deputy Prime Minister Heng Swee Keat and Trade and Industry Minister Chan Chun Sing to come up with a support package to help workers and businesses adjust to upcoming changes. More details will be announced in next year's budget.
It is a political choice to treat our aging workforce, our aging population, as an opportunity and not as a burden. To enable our people to contribute for as long as they wish. As a result, we allocate resources, scarce resources if I may add, and update policy to support this choice. Since 2011, we have paid out some $3 billion in special employment credit to employers to support their employment of older workers. It is also part of our political values to share the effort that is required. We are expecting employers to do their part to develop inclusive workforces and progressive workplaces.
Mrs. Teo said older workers should be seen as a resource which businesses can tap to ease a tight labour market and help meet manpower needs. But apart from the economic aspect, boosting the senior workforce also has a social impact.
Work is often an integral part of a person's identity, and work provides a natural community to be part of. The world of work is also where individuals of diverse backgrounds, ethnicities and ages come together for common cause. The engagements, the relationships and the sense of purpose derived from work contributes to the health of older workers.